Well, who saw this coming? That right there, Haiden Deegan, Danger Boy, that's him training in Colorado. Who lives in Colorado? Eli Tomac. He's training at the Eli Tomac compound or race, whatever you want to call it. He's training with Tomac. And for him, for Deegan, this has got to be incredible. One, obviously he's talented, very fast. You know, he's proven himself to be competitive already. He's not just the hype train that he was in amateurs and whatever. But to go to Colorado, one, for the elevation training. This is a kid who lived in California and Florida, North Carolina, all, sea level, whatever. Going to Colorado, training at altitude is going to be incredible for his stamina and just overall endurance in races. And two, going and training with a guy like Tomac, who is incredible. Obviously, he's had a long, very profitable, prosperous, whatever you want to call it, career. This is going to be great for him. If you can pick up anything, a little trick here, a little do this, you can do a little bit faster through the whoops here. It's going to be incredible for Deegan. And who knows? I mean, this might not help him all win this year, but I've got to say he's probably going to be a title contender, title favorite, depending on what coast he goes to and who's with him. But either way, he's going to be a favorite in my eyes. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, do you think this is good, bad, doesn't matter at all? He's going to be, or where he's going to finish in Supercross this year? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.